Assalamu alaikum. I am Malik Farouk, lecturer zoology, Boys High Secondary Lingate. My topic is as we are dealing with principles of inheritance and variation for class 12th. Today's topic is chromosomal theory of inheritance. Very important topic. My dear students, these topics are very important from the examination point of view, as well as the student must go through these topics because they provide very much information regarding NEET and other exams. So chromosomal theory of inheritance एक बच्चे को काफ़ी पढ़ना चाहे, पूरी किताब पढ़नी चाहे ताकि कल आने वाला जो एग्ज़ाम होगा उसका नोट्स तो बहुत स्टार्ट होते हैं. अगर एक बच्चा किताब पढ़े उसमें पूरी तरह से उसको काफ़ी इंफॉर्मेशन काफ़ी अप टू द मार्क उसको हासिल हो जाता है. नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट क्रोमोसोमल थ्योरी ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस. As we know, Mendel was dealing with his experiments, calculations, theory, then Punnett square, results. Now, there is one more point in principles of inheritance, that is chromosomal theory of inheritance. Mendel's results could not accepted immediately by the scientific world because of the findings that traits are controlled by the stable, non-blending and discrete units called genes or factors. जो मेंडल की बातें थी वो पहले इमीडिएटली मतलब इब्तदाई तौर पे वो साइंटिफिक वर्ल्ड ने कबूल नहीं की. His mathematical derivations and explanation of biological phenomena were also not accepted by many. जो उसने मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशंस दी थी या डेराइवेशंस दी थी या एक्सप्लेनेशंस दी थी वो भी काफ़ी लोगों ने एक्सेप्ट नहीं किए उस टाइम. However, discovery of chromosomes, their replication and separation during mitosis and movement during meiosis indicated some parallelism between them and hereditary factors. ने उसके बाद एक पॉइंट सामने आ गया कि जब क्रोमोसोम्स की डिस्कवरी हो गई, उनकी रेप्लिकेशन यानी उनका हिस्सा होना, देन उनकी सेपरेशन उनका जुदा होना ड्यूरिंग माइटोसिस, ड्यूरिंग सेल डिवीजन एंड मूवमेंट ड्यूरिंग मियोसिस, दे इंडिकेटेड समथिंग पैरेललिज्म इन बिटवीन them and hereditary factors. It's called chromosomal theory of inheritance. वहीं पे एक बात आ गई chromosomal theory of inheritance. This theory, the theory was proposed independently by the Walter Sutton in 1902. 1902 में ये बात किसने दी? Walter Sutton and Theodore Boveri in 1902. According to this theory, Mendelian factors are located on chromosomes which show segregation and independent assortment at the time of transmission from one generation to next, and the various features which support the theory are as follows. Gametes constitute a bridge between one generation and next generation. गमीट्स जो होते हैं ये एक इसमें कुछ बातें सामने आ गई. ये गमीट्स जो होते हैं दे कॉन्स्टिट्यूट ए ब्रिज बिटवीन वन जनरेशन एंड नेक्स्ट जनरेशन. यानी F1 जनरेशन में अगर कोई पॉइंट आपको किसी ख़ानदान में किसी जनरेशन में एक पॉइंट होता है, फॉर एग्जांपल कोई जनरेशन उसमें ज़्यादा मतलब वो शरारती होते हैं, डोमिनेंट होता है कोई फ्यूचर, तो वो अगर F2 जनरेशन में नहीं आएगा F3 जनरेशन में वो आएगा. तो these are the gametes which constitute bridge between one generation and next generation. They are of two types, sporum and ovum. अब gametes दो तरह के हैं, sporum and ovum, sporum from man and ovum from woman. The two types of gametes which fuse during sexual reproduction contribute equally in genetic constitution of offspring. Right? Out of the sperm, number third, out of the sperm, only nucleus passes into egg for fertilization. Therefore, hereditary information must be contained in the nucleus part of the gametes. ये तीसरा पॉइंट था कि out of this sperm, only nucleus जो है they pass into egg for fertilization. Number 4, nucleus contains chromatin, which organizes to form chromosomes at the time of division. Therefore, chromosomes would be carrying the heredity information. Any deficiency or addition in the chromosomes produce drastic changes in organism. There is a parallelism between Mendelian factors and chromosomes. A gamete contains only one Mendelian factor out of two. It also has only one chromosome out of two. There are two chromosomes of each type in an individual. Likewise, there is a pair of Mendelian factors for each कैरेक्टर, फॉर ईच कैरेक्टर, यानी हर एक कैरेक्टर के लिए 2 फैक्टर्स वहाँ पे होने चाहिए. द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ सेग्रीगेशन एंड इंडिपेंडेंट असॉर्टमेंट कैन बी एक्सप्लेन्ड ऑन द बेस ऑफ द बिहेवियर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स ड्यूरिंग गमीट formation. 2 homologous chromosomes synapse during the zygotine of meiosis and get segregated to pass into different cells and hence gametes during anaphase. First, chromosomes of different homologous pairs segregate independent of one another during anaphase first. So, will be Mendelian factors carried by them. However, this is true only if we consider a chromosome to carry only one Mendelian factor. Actually, each chromosome carries a large number of Mendelian factors or genes, which therefore would remain linked. In most animals and plants, the sex of the individual is determined by the type of chromosomes called as sex chromosome. In the most of the animals, एक बात यहाँ जरूरी याद रखनी है, chromosomal theory of inheritance. In the most of the animals and some plants, the sex of an individual जो है, which is determined by the type of chromosome, उसको हम X chromosome बोलते हैं. Like Mendelian factors, the chromosome maintains their identity, number and structure from generation to generation. For example, आपके स्क्रीन पर इस वक्त एक तस्वीर आती है. Y ये 2 क्रोमोसोम्स हैं. Y येलो, स्मॉल y ग्रीन. ये होमोलॉगस क्रोमोसोम्स हैं. यहाँ से हमने R, कैपिटल R, स्मॉल r, राउंडेड R, रिंकल्ड R, तो उसको जब हमने इंडिपेंडेंट असॉर्टमेंट में देखा, Y और कैपिटल R, Y कैपिटल R कैपिटल, स्मॉल दिस कैपिटल Y एंड स्मॉल R, small y capital R, small y capital R. This is called homologous chromosomes and homologous chromosomes. It is called independent assortment. Independent assortment. नीचे आपके स्क्रीन पर कैपिटल Y कैपिटल R, कैपिटल Y स्मॉल r, small y capital R, small y small r. This is the correlation between chromosomal behavior and Mendelian factors in segregation and independent assortment. That was all about the chromosomal theory. उसके बाद हम इसमें पढ़ेंगे parallelism and similarity between genes, Mendelian factors and chromosomes. And after that we will take a correlated topic for in the syllabus, that is sex determination. Thank you. Thanks for watching.